I'm experimenting with Claude and Google Calendars and Google Sheets. And I've got a pretty cool solution to a problem that I have. Here's the problem I have. I do these calendars on a regular basis where I set up in my Google Calendar where I'm going to go. In this example, I'm going to go to DC Senior Services. I go twice a month. One time I do a session and another time I show up for a one-on-one. And you can see that I have all these entries in here and they all say DC space Senior Services and what I'm doing. Now, I need to put that in a spreadsheet so that I can send that cleanly to someone to look at so that they can see it. Now, and previously what I would have done was I would have just done a screenshot and sent a screenshot. But I don't want to send a screenshot. I want to put it in a Google Sheet. So I did this. I went to Claude. Now in Claude, I first confirmed I could do this, and Claude says yes. So I said, I want to search Google Calendar, and I want to pull entries into a Google Sheet. I want to look for all calendar entries that have DC Senior Services in the event field, it's called the event name field. And then I want to pull the date, the time, the location, and the description text into columns in the same row. That's all I told Claude. And by the way, I could have written that cleaner, but that's what I told Claude. Claude said, easy one. Here's a Google Apps script that does exactly that. Searches your calendar for events with DC Senior Services in it, in the title, and dumps the data into a sheet. Here's how to set it up. Open a Google Sheet, go to Extensions and App Script, clear it out, and paste this text in there. Well, I did that. I did exactly that. Over here, here's my sheet. By the way, you can see I've run it once. And I open Extensions, App Script, and I opened up this right here. And I pasted, there were 4 rows of starter text. I got rid of that. I pasted that text in there. Now, Claude told me that I need to, what did it say here? It told me to delete it, paste it, and then save it. Then run it. And I'll need to authorize the first time, which is exactly what happened. When I had to hit save, run was grayed out until I hit save. Once I saved it, run became available. The first time I hit run, it said I need to give it permission, and it was a standard Google permission box. I said, okay. I ran it, and I got this. Look, I'll clear this all out. Clear this all out. It's gone. Now I'll come over here. I've already saved it. So I'm going to run it. Look what happens. Execution started. It's doing something. Pulled 15 matches. When I go to the spreadsheet, there it is right there. It's all right there. Now, look, here, I'll change it up. Watch this. I'll change it, and I can just change the text. Instead of looking for DC Senior Services, I'm going to change that, and I'm going to put Harmony. And I'm going to save it. I'm going to run it. Now it's going to overwrite that other spreadsheet. It started. Pulled 21 matches. If I go to that spreadsheet, look what it did. Not only do I have, I have visit, which I'm not doing that. That's already done. But here's where I do techno. All those are techno. And I actually put a, drive to Harmony in there. It pulled it all in. Now, apparently I don't have a description text because that's blank. I'm sharing this with you as I research using AI to help me be more efficient. Do you know how much time it took me to do this in the past? Copy and paste. And all I did was go to Claude. I told Claude I need a script written. It gave me the script. It gave me information about how to edit it. It told me how to make it work. Go here, open it up, paste it all in there, edit it however I want to edit it, save it, and run. AI, Claude, and Google Workspace. Seems like this could be very useful for me, and I wonder if it can be useful for you. I'm Teddy. I'm all about Google Workspace and Gmail, getting a little bit into this AI world, and I hope this is helpful for you.